Alright, hello again folks, and this is part 2 of the SL drive by Xotic Effects USA. I've adjusted the zoom control on the webcam so you can kind of see the details of the pedals better. Again, everything is exactly the same as what I said in part 1 of this video. Neck single coil on a Stratocaster through the orange micro dark, gain and volume at 9 o'clock, tone control at noon, through the Harley Benton G212 non-Celestian loaded guitar enclosure or guitar cab enclosure. And again, hopefully this will all come out very good and everyone should hear this decently. Also, again, like I said, I mentioned about I wasn't sure about there being able to be a 9-volt battery in this. Just to verify it, Xotic Effects actually puts their own 9-volt battery. Super heavy duty, made in China battery in the pedal. I found that when I opened it up and replaced the 9-volt battery. So with that said, we're going to show the last 2 modes of this pedal. The first will be the super lead with a 6 dB boost, and we will then check out the last, which is the super bass setting. So let's start the looper going again and start messing around with the sound effects. Here we go. this is now put into super bass mode, which I assume is a bassier setting for the amp, and we will go again. I think that's enough of a long enough sound sample demo of it. Hope you have enjoyed these two videos that I did. First impressions with the SL drive so far. I think it's pretty flexible. I definitely need more time to play around with it more. I definitely think there's some nice kind of martially kind of tones there to get out. I think so far in regards to single coils, I like the super lead with the high/mid cut setting. I will have to test this with other single coils and my humbuckers that I have. So with that said, thanks to any of you that actually was stuck through to watch the whole 15 plus minutes of this. Hope yous are all doing well. Take care, and bye for now, folks.